SWM Poland is an expert in converting and printing technical papers since 2010 on a 15,500 square meters area in Strykow, ideally centrally located in Europe. Its advantageous geographic location facilitates logistics process and ensures efficient distribution to major European markets and beyond thanks to an easy access to major logistic platforms. The company's expertise, state-of-the-art technologies allows to develop and manufacture solutions with added value. Innovations play a crucial role in driving the transition towards safer, more sustainable solutions. The company is committed to continuous improvement and strategic investments, ensuring the adoption of the latest techniques to serve the future of paper industry.